What's up, guys? So today I'm diagnosing a oil leak on my Honda Pilot 2004, and here's the position of the oil leak. On the passenger side, right behind the bumper. And when I opened the hood and checked the fluids, immediately I saw my power steering fluid, which is this one right here, was low. And all my other fluids were fine. And I saw up here the reservoir here was all dry, and this pipe was dry, this one here, and this here was dry as well. So I went right to the source under the car, and to get around this I needed to remove some of these clips. So there are these little plastic clips like this, and I was able to just get them off with a flathead screwdriver. Like this, which isn't the easiest, and it is easy to break them. There's a special tool you can use for it, but I was able to get them off with the flathead screwdriver, and some of them on this car were already broken, but the ones I had to get off were this one, this one here, and I also got that one, and that up here, this one, that was up here. And so I pulled this down, and then that exposed this spot here, and there you see my oil leak right in there. So it is the power steering, the return line, and I won't show replacing that in this video. You can see another video on that, but I will put a link to where you get that in the description below. So if you see a leak with your power steering under your passenger front bumper on your Honda Pilot, it's likely going to be the power steering return pipe. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so following is some clips to help you determine if you need to replace just the clamp or the whole hose. And I did also record me replacing the hose, so if you want to see that, leave a comment below. Okay, now let's take a closer look here. It's hard to tell if the leak's coming from where this rubber connects to the metal pipe here, where you see this clamp, or if it's actually rusted through this metal. Okay, so directly underneath where the plastic is clamping the metal pipe to the chassis, when I push up and down, it's causing fluid to drip. So I have a feeling like right there, a rust has rusted out right between the metal and the plastic clamp. I wish it was just here, you know, and I could re-clamp this, but I don't think that's what it is. Okay guys, so final update. I was able to remove the hose from the plastic clamp, and I did that just with my screwdriver. I just put the flathead screwdriver right there and manipulated it, that clip open, and then basically this part opens up and I could get the metal part out. Now I still can't see a visible leak from the metal part, but what I did is I dried this whole thing out. I got this whole thing dry, and after a few minutes, when I touch the front part under where the hose, the rubber meets the metal, my finger is still relatively dry. But this part back here keeps getting wet again every minute or two. So right here looks like where the leak is. You can see there. So yeah, so I'm gonna need to replace the metal hose. And that's it for this video. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.